Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at one of the top rated accounting platforms out there, Xero. Right for the homepage, it proudly claims the title Best Overall Accounting Platform, and honestly, that's a big statement in such a competitive space. They kick things off by acknowledging that every business is different, and that's exactly the approach they take, helping you figure out if Xero is the right fit for you. Oh, and before I go further, this isn't just marketing fluff. Xero recently won a FinTech Hacking Awards 2025 for the best overall accounting platform, which is in fact a big deal. What really stands out for Xero is how it's built around three core principles. First is key information sync, which means your financial data is connected across your systems and always up to date. Then there's a real-time view of cash flow, which gives you a live dashboard of how your money's moving in and out. No more waiting till the end of the month. And finally, there's to customize to suit your needs, which I really appreciate because whether you're a solo freelancer or running a growing business with a team, you can shape Xero around your workflow. And hey, don't just take Xero's word for it. It's actually been shortlisted over here for the Capture Best Awards, the Get App Awards, and it's even on the frontrunners list for the Software Advice Awards, not to mention several 2025 Buyer's Choice Awards and many others. So yeah, the recognition is definitely there, and for a good reason. Over here, you can see that one of the things I really like while exploring Xero is just how flexible it is. You've got features like bank reconciliation, where you can match transactions with your bank feed almost instantly. Then there's online invoicing, which lets you create and send invoices quickly. Plus, you can see when the client opens them, which is a small thing, but so useful. There's also capturing data, which lets you upload receipts and bill easily, and Xero pulls the info automatically. No more digging through folders or manually typing in amounts. It's built for speed and accuracy, and you can feel it in the small details it has on its website. Now let's talk about the plans, because that's often like the make or break part. Xero starts at $35 per month with a plan that covers all your basic accounting needs. Perfect if you're self-employed and want simple, clean financial management. Next level is the Grow plan at $75 per month, which adds more advanced tools for a business that's starting to scale and wants to automate admin tasks. Then there's the comprehensive plan, priced at $100 per month, which includes streamlined accounting and payroll tools. Great if you're hiring and already managing a team. And finally, for bigger operations, there's the $130 per month tile, which adds forecasting tools on top of the accounting and payroll, basically a full suite for businesses looking ahead. And the best part is you don't have to commit right away. Xero offers a 30-day free trial, so if you dive in, explore the tools, and see how it fits your business. It's fully cloud-based, which means you can access everything from anywhere, perfect from today's remote and hybrid work life. Whether you're just starting or managing a growing business, Xero is designed to help keep your accounting healthy and organized. And at the end, I'd say that's all for this video. But it's just the beginning. In the next one, I'll be diving deeper within Xero specific features, and we're also going to compare Xero side by side with other platforms like Henry, MYOB, Reckon, and QuickBooks to see which one really gives you the most value. So if that's something you're curious about, make sure you've subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one. Now, before we wrap up, here's my honest rating. I'd give Xero a 9 out of 10. It's an incredibly clean to use, packed with powerful features, and felt like it was built for the real businesses, not just accounting. The real-time cash flow tracking, automated invoicing, and customizability really stood out for me. I also love the fact that they backed everything up with constant improvements and award recognition. If I had to mention one drawback, I'd say the price jump between the Grow and the comprehensive plans might feel a little bit of a steep for some small businesses that are right in the middle of scaling. But overall, for what you're getting, the value is definitely there. See you in the next one. Well, in today's video, we're diving into a full tutorial and walkthrough of 11labs.io, which calls itself the most realistic voice AI platform. And honestly, it's not just a claim, it delivers incredibly natural sounding, synthetic voices. Whether you're an indie creator, developer, or a part of a larger media team, this platform offers stunning voice fidelity that mimics human emotions and tone. In this video, I'll be exploring all the core features, such as the text-to-speech, speech-to-text, conversational AI, dubbing, voice cloning, and 11 Reader, which turns articles into immersive listening experiences. I'll also be giving it a score at the end, so stick around for that. So first we can explore how it's voiced and how it's got an incredibly human voice. Let's play this one paragraph that says over here, and we're going to explore how the voice works.
In the ancient land of Eldoria, where skies shimmered and forests whispered secrets to the wind, lived a dragon named Zephyros. Not the burn it all down kind, but he was gentle, wise, with eyes like old stars. Even the birds fell silent when he passed.
So you can see right here, and I even added the expressions, the sarcastic tone, giggles, and whispers, and obviously it sounded like as if a human was doing it himself. Now we'll be moving down and how it's trusted by leading enterprises. So one of the biggest indicators is quality and the trust that is earned from some of the biggest names in the game, used by Synthesia, Time, Magazine, Twilio, Epic Games, and even Cisco. These companies don't play around when it comes to tech. They need precision, security, and high output. So when these global organizations rely on 11 Labs for their AI audio needs, it's a pretty strong vote of confidence. Then moving on to 11v3, the game changer. The latest and the most expressive text-to-speech model developed by 11 Labs. This version takes everything the platform already did well and turns it into 11, literally. The improvements in intonation, emotion, and natural flow makes this one of the most human-like AI voices I've ever tested. Whether it's whispering, shouting, or delivering subtle sarcasm, V3 delivers a level of vocal nuance that's truly groundbreaking for creators and developers alike. We'll now be moving on to the use cases over here, where it makes it easy to generate high-quality AI audios for almost any content type. For audiobooks, the voices carry rich emotion and variations that keep listeners engaged. Whether doing voiceovers, the clarity and cadence are perfect for narration or tutorials. The videos sound natural and visually appropriate. Podcast can feature cloned or generated voices for hosts and guests. And for video production, it saves massive time and cost while keeping voice quality. And we'll now be moving on to how it's used by the millions of greatest creators around the world, from YouTubers and indie game developers to large-scale educator and animators. 11 Labs is now used by millions of top-tier creators around the globe. It's a go-to tool for anyone wanting professional sounding narration with the need for studio time or hiring voice actors. The community around 11 Labs is active, growing, and constantly finding new creative ways to use the platform. For developers, 11 Labs does not stop. I might have put something. For 11 Labs, for developers, 11 Labs does not stop at the UI. It also provides powerful tools like text-to-speech API, speech-to-text API, and voice changer APIs. If you're building conversational AIs or working Python or TypeScript, or SDKs help you integrate those models pretty quickly. Plus, it's all GDPR and SOC2 compliant, meaning you get the enterprise-grade security along with creative flexibility. Whether you're making an AI assistant or an educational app, this makes a robust backend solution. Moving forward, you can see how it delivers new experiences and saves costs for your enterprise. So if you're in enterprise space, 11 Labs helps cut down production costs and helps improve customer service. It's being used in call centers, AI-assisted platforms, edtech applications, and media creation tools. And on the AI safety side, 11 Labs leads the industry with responsible AI practices. They have modern moderation systems, clear accountability policies, and provenance tracking to ensure ethical use of synthetic voices. This is essentially important as the AI-generated audio becomes more common and harder to distinguish from the real speech. And as we have explored everything around here, AI safety, breakthrough research, and latest updates, so create your own high-quality AI audio. So how do I rate 11labs.io? It gets a solid 9 out of 10 from me. The voice quality is unmatched, the features are vast, and the interface is beginner-friendly while still offering depth for developers. The only reason I'm taking off the 1 point is because some of the more advanced features like high-speed batch processing or full voice customization are gated behind a higher price plan. A more flexible pricing structure would make it even more accessible, but overall, 11 Labs is easily one of the best AI tools on the market today. Thank you, and stick around for the next video. Hello guys, welcome back to Soft Techie. Today we'll be discovering the future of AI meet Grok, XAI's cutting-edge conversational model that claims to be the most intelligent AI in the world. Designed by Elon Musk's AI company, Grok is not just another chatbot, it's built with real-time understanding, a sharp sense of humor, and the ability to answer even the most nonsense questions, sometimes even the ones that other AI systems won't touch. With the native integration into X, formerly Twitter, Grok is learning at massive scale and speed, trained directly on public posts and live internet data. This makes a unique, living model that constantly evolves with humanity's digital pulse. We'll be exploring its all for humanity stances, and its mission is bold: AI for all humanity. This philosophy is brought to life through three powerful tools. First is Grok itself, available to X Premium Plus users, offering direct access to an AI built with openness and curiosity. Second, the XAI API, a new way for developers and companies to integrate Grok into their own applications. Fast, robust, and designed developers in the mind, this API makes Grok accessible like never before. But at third, the developer documents, clean, precise, and actively updated, help developers build quickly, securely, and at scale. We then look at understanding the universe, which is XAI's long-term vision. Isn't just about making tools, it's about helping humanity understand the true nature of the universe. That's a line straight from their homepage, and it's not just for show. As XAI sees artificial intelligence as a way to decode our reality, assist in scientific discovery, and push the boundaries of what we know of life, space, consciousness, and beyond. It's not just AI, it's a mission grounded in the belief that truth matters and AI should help reveal it, not distort it. Maybe look at Super Grok. So when you push Grok even further, XAI offers Super Grok, an advanced experience accessible with Premium Plus subscriptions on X. Super Grok adds a faster response, deeper reasoning, and access to the newest features of the Grok ecosystem. This is a version used by developers, researchers, and serious power users who want to do more. Whether it's analyzing real-time data, finding complex codes, or diving into the long-form conversations, if Grok is the standard, Super Grok is the unleashed version. Latest news. And so the latest news section shows that XAI is moving fast with weekly product updates, new tools, and expanding developers further. One particularly interesting area is Grok. Grok. One particularly interesting area is Grok for the government, showing that XAI is working with government agencies to improve public services, education, and research. It's a rare glimpse into the AI's potential impact on public policy. Then we move to Grok 3 versus Grok 4. Grok 4 is their newest release, significantly outperforming 3 with a better multimodal reasoning and less hallucination. The difference is visible in real-time usage. At the end of the page, we'll quickly explore some buttons up here. And so we just talked about Grok API and the company. Now we look at causes. Um, so the fastest built AI supercomputer in history. Now let's talk about how it's game-changing infrastructure project built in just 122 days. Colossus is the world's fastest AI training supercomputer, outpacing every timeline and projection. The power of Grok's AI learning and training, allowing for a faster model iteration and richer training data. XAI claims Colossus gives them a massive advantage in speed, scale, and accuracy. And it's not just hardware, it's the backbone of Grok's intelligence. Looking at career, finally, if you're inspired by all this and want to be a part of AI, then XAI has open career roles across engineering, research, and operations. They're actively hiring people who believe in AI with purpose, not just to entertain, but to enlighten. That wraps up this review for XAI and the power of Grok. If you're as fascinated by the future of AI as I am, make sure to explore the platform yourself and maybe even test out Grok today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you found this helpful and are looking for more AI videos. Thank you. Hello guys, welcome back to Soft Techie, your go-to channel for AI videos and other softwares. Today we'll be exploring something not AI, and we'll be exploring a famous space agency, NASA. NASA stands for National Aeronautics and Space Administration. It's America's civil space agency, responsible for space exploration, scientific discovery, and aeronautics research. Since its founding in 1958, NASA has been pushing the boundaries of science and technology, from the moon landings all the way to Mars rovers and space telescopes. So, when you open the nasa.gov website, you land on the homepage of NASA. You're greeted with the dynamic live updates from space telemetry to mission countdown. So one of the highlights currently is the launch of NISAR, which is a joint NASA and ISRO Earth observation mission that's expected to revolutionize how we study natural hazards and climate change from space. So when you go down, you can also see the featured news, and clicking on this, you'll find the updates like the latest on NASA's SpaceX Crew 11 mission, like one right over here, which is prepping to send astronauts to ISS. These stories give you insights into the people, purpose, and technology behind every mission, all updated in real time. You can then explore the humans in space and image of the day right over here, where um, its media section must visit every day. A new image of the day showcases something breathtaking, from galaxy clusters to rocket launches. There's also a vast NASA image library, a treasure trove of space photos, mission footage, and historical archives, all free to download and use. You can also download each of these if you want to save them for the day. So just click here and go to download. So you can also see more NASA images right over here, and you can explore your universe from your inbox. So sign up for the Explore Your Universe from your inbox to receive stunning visuals and science stories weekly. Another powerful section is Explore Our Changing Planet right over here, where NASA combines satellite imagery, climate data, and visual eyes to show how Earth is evolving over the time, from deforestation to the melting ice caps. So over here we can see other sessions to explore. Each of the main categories include missions, human in space, Earth, our solar system, universe, science missions, aeronautics, and technology. Each has its own subpages. For example, under Earth you'll find the climate tracking tools, disaster response, and Earth space missions. Under human in space you'll read about the astronaut training, the Artemis program, and future Mars plans, etc. And this is the entire NASA website on the homepage and everything. Most of it around here is covered in this video as well. But next video, I'd like to show you a special course program from NASA where they will give you a Credly badge and a certificate for free by completing 5 modules of the course, and you can add that to your resume or wherever you go, and it could be a great reference for your work as well, where you get to complete 5 assessments and it's completely free and there's no age restrictions. You just gotta sign up and get ready onto it. And before we end the video, here's a fun fact. Did you know that NASA's Voyager 1 spacecraft, launched in 1977, is now 15 billion miles from Earth and is sending back data? That's kind of legacy NASA builds. So make sure to check out the NASA Plus streaming service too. It's a free digital program featuring documentaries, launches, and exclusive content. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because in our next video, we're diving into NASA's open science training and how you can get certified by NASA yourself for free. That's about it from today. Subscribe to SoftTech for future AI updates and other software updates like today's one. And stay with us. Thank you. Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube video from SoftTech, where we explore AI and other softwares and give you a user guide on it as well as its use. Today we'll be exploring something different from usual, doing a combination of AI and digital currency. Welcome to DEFAI, which is a Singaporean-based AI startup of enterprise-grade platforms designed to help businesses see, solve, and scale using advanced AI tools. Their mission is to drive intelligence transformations across industries by enabling smarter insights and automating critical operations, all with a strong emphasis on security, customization, and scalability. We'll be exploring their tools. And so, as we can see here, the website URL is defai.digital. So we're going to see the new growth opportunities and what they offer. So firstly, they offer something UFlow, NoRag, and Automatos X. We'll be exploring that in detail. So let's go on to their products. And the first one here is UFlow. UFlow lets companies build chatbots and automate workflows through a no-code platform with seamless integration into WhatsApp and Telegram. Its key features include pre-built industry-specific templates, AI-powered customer interaction, which example is like booking, scheduling, and support, in a transition to human-live agents. And this tool is perfect for sectors like retail, hospitality, education, and healthcare, aiming to improve customer engagement and operational efficiency without deep technical overhead. The second one is NORAC, Knowledge Management with LLM-Driven Retrieval Augmented Generation. So that's what it stands for. And just in case I didn't mention what UFlow stands for, was No-Code Chat and Workflow Bot. So for this one, we're going to go and explore what that means. So NORAG is a knowledge management solution enriched with LLM-driven insights and RAG workflows. It enables enterprises to store documents securely, which is on-premises or hybrid. It also automates document retrieval and contextual knowledge inference, and it composes compliance-friendly workflows and audit trails. So this makes it ideal for highly regulated sectors such as legal, finance, or healthcare, where knowledge integrity and traceability are essential. Lastly, It offers Automatics, which is a DeFi Kubernetes-powered ML ops platform that supports automated deployment and lifecycle of AI and ML models. It's real-time analytics and secure API management, and it's also scalable infrastructure, ideal for logistics, fintech, SaaS, and AI-first organizations. It empowers teams to deploy confidently, manage APIs efficiently, and maintain intelligent workflows, all underpinned by a robust infrastructure. So we're going to why choose DeFi. It offers DeFi positions itself as a tailored enterprise partner. So security first architecture, compliance ready deployments on-prem or hybrid, and with encrypted environments. So next one is scalability platforms from small deployments to enterprise grade usage and industry customizability. No code plus intelligent backend logic caters to a variety of verticals, and its end-to-end vision, which is encompassing chatbot automation, which is Flow, knowledge intelligence like the NORAG, and MLOps, such as Automatics, all built under one cohesive ecosystem. Um, Once again, see solid scale with DeFi. The main purpose and value proposition is at its core, DeFi aims to empower enterprise and to operationalize AI effectively. Their multifaceted suite supports everything from front-facing customer automation to backend knowledge and model management. In a sense, they help businesses adopt AI not just as a technology, but as a sustainable business capability designed to optimize, secure, and expand with real measurable impact. Its ideal users and use cases could be that it suits appeal to organizations that need to digitize customer help desk interaction via chatbots, streamline document workflows with secure AI retrieval, simplify onboarding, knowledge sharing, and compliance, and deploy and scale ML models with minimal friction, as well as maintain data sovereignty and tight security postures across all AI components. After looking at this platform and understanding what it means, what it does, just a bit overflowing here as well. Welcoming to DeFi, and overall, I think it's not just a collection of all the AI tools. It represents a unified AI transformation platform built for the enterprise. Its modular design, serious security consideration, and focus on customization makes it a well-suited regulated sector or a company scaling AI adoption across multiple functions. For a YouTube guide highlighting the synergy together with real-world deployment possibilities, will give your audience a full perspective of why DeFi stands out, and that is why I made this video. So I just like to explain on my own behalf as well, just a bit, that this platform is not only for AI or only for cryptocurrency, but it combines both of them together, and it's a new idea because obviously no one has ever before combined cryptocurrency and AI, and this could be something big in the future. And I believe that this could be the next big thing in the future, and it could be something that you would want to keep your eye on. Thank you, and see you in the next video for Soft Techie. Give us more ideas in the comments on what to do next.